Okay guys, another quick video. Just want to show you, I posted this on my Twitter. We took some 4-6 calls for September the 12th expiry on SPY. And this is on my Twitter. We're already up 24% at the time of posting this. They hit an high of 35% after hours, just before the close. So I'm just going to record this Thursday night after the market close, just to show you what's going to happen Friday. You know, the last couple of videos have been, emphasizing these points of these pivots. So we've got a downtrend break here with this next pivot. So tomorrow, guys, we're going to touch this 4-6. That's why we've took Monday's expiry in case we get a bit of chop. And, we only need those calls to go a few bucks to get 100% play. So, even if you wanted to sold, I told the guys in the room, if you don't hold overnight, you can sell at, 15, 20, 30%, whatever you wish. You haven't got to hold overnight because the move happened in about 10 minutes. But if you did want to hold overnight, this is where we're going tomorrow, guys. So I'm just going to show you beforehand what's going to happen tomorrow, the power of these wedges, the power of these pivots, and where we're going to go. So whether it be a gap up or a run tomorrow, we're going to touch around that 4-6 area tomorrow and give us a nice gain on these 4-6 calls for September 12th expiry. And all the information you need to play these pivots, to take these trades like we are taking in the room, is all in the previous videos. If you want to take a look at them, I will tag them up here, guys, if you haven't seen them yet. I will tag them at the end. Go back and watch them, and then hopefully you can play SPY or any other ticker using this method going forward to help you bank daily in the markets. Okay, as promised, guys, part 2 of the follow-up, just to show you the SPY swing which I documented on Twitter. We entered these 4-6 calls about 20 to 30 minutes before the close, so it's all documented on my Twitter. They were up around 35% before market close. It was a swing, and they hit an high of 250 at the target. We was looking for this to hit 4-6 as mentioned previously. So they were up around 280% off this swing from yesterday, which we took before the market close. So two things to remember, guys. Number one, this is just a potential where these stocks can go. You could have sold before the market close and banked 35% profit, which is a fairly nice profit anyway for any trade. And second of all, you haven't got to hold these till target. This is just to show you the potential to get a play in between these areas and where these things can go. So from our trigger entry, where we like to enter these trades per the technicals on the chart, which is explained in the first part about breaking out of this wedge, holding the pivot on the daily, and then obviously playing it from pivot to pivot, which I've showed you in the previous videos. You could have got a trade amongst that area somewhere. So for ourselves, it was taking the 4-6 calls with September's the 12th expiry with a target of 4-6 today. Now the reason why we took the Monday's expiry, as this is recorded on Friday the 9th, was just in case we chopped around or it took some time to get there, which has been a pretty slow day compared to the type of action I like to trade. So you might have had to hold it, but it did get there. It hit that 4-6, and like I said, those contracts went 280%. So amongst our guys, you could have got 100%, 50%, whatever on our trade. So like I mentioned previously, it was a daily break. Hold of this pivot line, which I showed in previous videos. If you haven't seen them, guys, go back and watch them. And obviously what I liked about this is I didn't see SPY, like I've mentioned on my Twitter, getting below 385 this week for many reasons. So when I had the chance early in the week to break this pivot area and start coming down when the market was weak, it didn't do so. So when we had a strong market yesterday, everything was leaning towards upside today. It was just a good risk reward to take this to with our next target upwards of 4.6, which had done nice. Now, just another quick thing, guys. Technically, that play was sound, but nothing is 100%. Any negative catalyst overnight could have, made us reject this trend line, or the trade could not have worked. So it's not a guarantee that this trade is going to work out every time, but per the technicals, per the market environment, per what happened here, and the sellers couldn't push it down and break it down this week, there was just no reason I didn't see this trade not working out today, and that's why I recorded this, took the video to show you, and also, got in the play myself. And like I said, guys, plenty of information in these videos to do exactly the same thing. It's all about getting the technicals right on the charts. If you want further help, guys, come and join us in Out of Scored. We do this every day. We trade the same setups, and we just do the same thing over and over. There's no magic bullet, no magic indicator. It's just a reliable set of setups that we wait for in the market. And as soon as we get the indication that particular stock is going to move in the direction we want it to go, we take the trade. Okay, guys, so I hope this helped. Just a brief follow-up. So in summary, those 4.6 calls went from $66 to $250 at target. So it was a nice trade. I hope this video helped, guys. Be sure to go back and check out the other videos, and hopefully it'll help you in your trading going forward.